Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to group column and rows in Excel with shortcut key. First of all, select your cells, then hold Shift, Alt, left or right arrow key, then select columns, then OK. We can see this adjust column 1, 2, and again hold Shift, Alt and left or right arrow key. Then rows OK. Thanks for watching.